Over the past couple of years, we have filmed over a dozen videos that for one reason or another, we have simply just not had the opportunity to edit and post the videos. Today's video is one of those videos that we have never posted on YouTube. It was filmed in October of 2023, and we will be posting this video along with several others periodically over the next few months in a series that we will call From the Vault. Hey everybody and welcome. Today we are here in Orlando, Florida, getting ready to take you guys along with us to
Crayola Experience. Crayola Experience, woo!
Boy, it smells like a crayon in here. As soon as you walk in. Even the nylon stanchions have different colors, just like crayons. So as we bought our tickets, they handed us these bags and they have these coins inside. And right here the sign says that 1 coin equals 1 personalized crayon at Wrap It Up. And you can also get a packet of Model Magic at Modeling Madness. Looks like we also have a voucher that is in here as well, which gets us 1 washable pet at Scribble Scrubbles. Check this out, guys.
It's my favorite color.
Favorite color.
And my favorite color.
You're starting to like green like Gentry, right? Right here is a 1959 advertisement for Crayola. Here are the crayons through the years from 1903. Right down here, we're in the 80s, 90s, 2006, and 2015 is empty here. And check this out, guys. It is the world's largest crayon. It is 1,532 pounds. And right here is where you make the custom crayons, which we will use our coins for. And we'll do that here in just a moment. Right here is Screaming Green. You can see all the crayons that are ready to be labeled. Over here we have one of Henry's favorite colors, yellow. And it's called Harvest Moon Yellow. All right, Gentry's gonna get the Screaming Green. He's gonna pick a shape here. You got rockets, birthday cake, a heart, little pound sign or hashtag, crown, paws. He's going with the paws here. Oh, wow. There it is. He's got his crayon and the wrapper to wrap around it. All right, and Henry wanted his to be called the Henry Green Orange with a football.
Okay,
go ahead and hit print. There you go. So we were trying to wrap this without any success, and we were just informed that this is actually where you go to wrap it. All right, so Gentry's going to demonstrate how this works. You put the crayon down there.
Right there, and then you put the wrapper. It's going to look like this.
Sticky side up. All right. Let's see it.
Right there.
All right, flip it around there. There it is, Henry Green Orange. It's a crayon that he wanted to name it.
What's your name on it? Here, look at Mama.
Is that what you wanted to name it? Henry Green Orange? All right. There it is, guys, a flower, and her crayon is called
Mama Rockin' Red.
All right, so I'm gonna make mine now.
I can put it in.
Sure, you wanna put it in for me?
You wanna?
Right. Thank you, buddy. We're gonna do English. All right, I'm gonna choose a music note. All right, so we're gonna make an Every Day is Saturday crayon. And blue there. Which is the blue? And the label. Gentry has become a label expert. We are going to become our own coloring page. All right, so Gentry is looking ahead there, gonna have his picture taken. 3, 2, 1. There's the picture. And let's print it. So now it's gonna print Gentry's coloring page here. Show us what it looks like there, Gentry.
Stand up and look right there, okay?
That's missing some of your hat.
Yeah.
Good enough, right?
Looks like I have a big brain.
All right, we're gonna get Henry right there. And print. Is that you? You got your own coloring page. How cool is that?
You put it in your bag.
In 1958, they added the sharpener to the Crayola box.
Since this week, we've had so much fun, and we've ate so much, I decided to do food.
There you go. And look at that, guys. There goes Henry floating across the wall there. And right there, somebody else we recognize. Whoa. He's spinning fast. But there's Gentry. So part of the experience here, you do get one of the coins for a Crayola Model Magic. And there's a whole bunch of tools here at this table that you can use to make various things. If you want to make a spooky spider, for example, you can mold one of those.
It's so satisfying.
Wow, it's a little different than Play-Doh. So he's gonna draw a picture here. What are you drawing?
I'm drawing a pizza.
That's a good looking pizza you got there. What type of toppings did you put on it?
I put Parmesan, and I need some more Parmesan.
Some more Parmesan, huh? So while your tokens will work for the Model Magic, you get two of those, one to create a crayon and one for over here. You can purchase more for only 50 cents per token. So instead of a squirrel, what did you make?
No, I couldn't find any other shapes that looked like a squirrel, but I made a bear.
Just like at home in Tennessee, right?
Drive a faster car.
All right, Henry put his crayon in there. He's gonna shut the door, hit that green button. Henry, hit the green button right there. All right, it is melting down. Henry's crayon in there, making his race car. Right into that mold. There you go. Awesome. Say thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And so there is Henry's car that he made out of a crayon. And Jennifer, you made
A seahorse.
What did you end up getting there?
A shark, and this thing I pulled off. What did you get?
Yeah, you end up making a shark.
What did you
And of course, they've got a huge gift shop on your way out. And if you're looking for a specific color of marker, they're likely to have it here. Look at this wall of markers. They also have a deal here where you can choose a tin, fill it up, close the lid, for $32.99 for the bucket on the right, or $24.99 for one of these. And check it out, these little tins here also have the famous Crayola crayon sharpener. And the Orlando airport is right up the road, perfect for traveling in flights. Your own Crayola crayon neck pillow. We had no idea that they now have scented silly putty. This one smells really good. What does that smell like to you, Jennifer?
It smells like hot cocoa to me. I had this one when I was little. It was glow in the dark, and I got it everywhere. When I was little, I got in trouble.
That was the Crayola Experience. Henry, what was your favorite part of the Crayola Experience?
It was good. And I got a race car.
Yeah, melted a crayon and made a race car, didn't you?
It made purple and green, and I don't know how to turn a car, but it's hard to get it out. But you can use a knife to get it out, you gotta wait and then you get it out by itself.
All right, and Gentry.
My favorite part is that you're getting your money's worth of like getting everything, and it really is a cool experience.
And Jennifer.
This is so much fun for the whole family. A really, really great experience. So much to do.
So this experience was $28.99 per person. And I believe that the season passes, if I'm not mistaken, were $38.99. So you can use your one-day pass and apply it towards the $38.99 season pass if you'd like to come here again. Lots of activities, lots of things for the kids to stay occupied. A really cool experience if you're into coloring and colors. And Gentry even had fun, and he's a little bit older. I thought this was just going to be more for like toddlers, but he had a blast as well, and we had fun with some of the activities ourselves as adults. So really cool experience, not far from the Orlando airport. And guys, we thank you so much for joining us here at the Crayola Experience, and we sure do look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.
Crayola!